Yeah, I'm dripping junket. How are we doing, everybody? Ralph here, Ralphie's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. Now then, excuse me. I'm going to do a review that I'm really not fucking looking forward to. The reason is that for the very, very first time, I'm going to be reviewing one of our own branded products. And I don't mean it's made with our logo on, I mean it's made by us. And it is the Duffster Mod. Now, we've been developing these for fucking months. Those that follow us on social media will know that we've been going on about it for quite a little while. Well, believe me, months before we said anything, we started developing, getting prototypes made, yada, yada, yada. And they're finally fucking here. Turn it around the right way. They're finally here and on sale, and they're fucking so popular that I've kind of pushed them to the front of the queue to do a review, so that the people that have already ordered, they won't get them till it's Sunday today. They'll get them Tuesday, Wednesday next week. Yeah, because yesterday was the launch day. I'm rambling on a bit because, as I say, I'm a bit nervous about doing this. Normally I just steam in and do it, but I'm emotionally attached to this because it's our fucker, because I've designed it. We asked the Team Knucklehead, all of the Facebook group, what they'd like to see in a mod. We took their comments on board, and I've designed and had made the dusters. Yeah, we've got brass, aluminium are next, copper are going to follow that, and then black, and finally stainless steel, and that may well be it. We might start looking at doing the knuckle RDA next, amongst the along the line of developing our own hardware range. So, great news, good news, everyone. The Duffster Mod is here. Have a quick vape. It is 26mm solid. Fucking chunky monkey. This is brass. The copper will be chunky monkey. Stainless will be. The aluminium is obviously a lot lighter, but it still fucking does it. Look, the styling on the fucking button, I love that. With our knuckle duster logo motif, if you like. Um, 26mm constant contact, hybrid 510. Sprung switch, silver contacts, 18650. We wanted to keep it nice and simple because there's no need to overcomplicate things, you know, but we wanted to include a few little features that really make a difference, like a constant contact switch, like the spring, like the hybrid 510. This 510 is removable. It unscrews, so if, and it is an if, we end up doing a stacked extension, you can take the 510 off, put the stack on, put a battery on, screw the 510 back on, and fucking Harry Potter it away, like, you know. But we'll go in close like always. Excuse me, voice is good. We'll go in close like always. We'll have a look at the design, we'll have a look at the constant contact element, and then we'll come back up top, have another vape, and off you go. Yeah, so I'll see you in a minute. Okie dokie. Right, there you have it. Let me just adjust the camera. Hold on. Whoa, there we go. Get things a bit squarer. Sorted. So, here's the fucking bad boy. Look, comes in a box. Designed by our very own Steve Fluffy Foster. Bless him. In conjunction with us, obviously. And I can't do this without going, look at that fucking build map. Didn't they? Anyway, here's the box, look. Logoed up. No fuckwits, as is our ethic in business and on the group. And big love Ralphie, because I am so fucking grateful for all the love and support that we get every fucking day. Nice, isn't it? Inside, you get a mod. There we fucking go, look. So, let's get that out of the way. No spares, because there's nothing to go wrong, really. I guess you could get a spare spring if you needed one, but hit us up if you got one and you got a problem, because we'll look after you. So, what we got? Well, we've got a 25mm tube, so that's an inch in old money, because we're old fashioned. I wanted them to be about an inch. Deep engraving, which is something to behold. I have to fucking say, look at me getting fingerprints all over it, look. Oh yeah, it's going to go out to someone and they're going to be fucking upset. Oh well, I'll give it a polish. If you buy one and it's got fingerprints all over, you know, it's this one. How's that? Anyway, so lovely deep engraving. Little bit of logo work, relief work going on the top that matches this shape on the bottom where the button is, with a star-shaped button, and the knuckle duster in there. Look. Yeah, super smooth. One of my things is I wanted it to be really smooth, because we've seen a lot of mods over the years, fucking hundreds and hundreds, and the button often lets them down. You'll have problems with it sticking or fucking up or not firing or fucking whatever. So we wanted super smooth, it had to be, but we also wanted a short throw. That's your lot. Yeah? Really fucking short little throw on it. You're just a touch. Look. And it fires. So, if you're a lady with long fingernails, or you got the biggest hands in all the fucking world, if your name's fucking King Kong, you ain't got to worry about pushing this and catching the sides and it not firing, because I could do it with my thumb and it'll fucking fire. Look. There you go. So, super short throw. The logo design, star-shaped, obviously. And this is straight out of the bag, as you saw. It's now not polished to fuck, but they are quite well polished when they come. This 510, as I said, removable. So, super smooth threads. Again, one of my major bugbears is that you get sticky threads or dirty threads, or they fuck up on you. Some of the mods out there haven't got the best threads in all the world. Some of the authentics that you pay good money for end up fucking threads up, and then it's fucked, isn't it? You can't use it, so it's a good threads, and it has. Super smooth on the threads. Really fucking boom. And the same on the bottom, but you've got a fuck of a lot more threads, because it's a bit more load bearing, because it's got a switch assembly inside it, because your battery is going to be tightened down onto it and all the rest of it. And this is where the magic happens. So we've got a silver plated contact that stays, it stays in contact with your battery all the time. You don't adjust it. It doesn't move, look. I'm bambling again, but if I push that button, look, that don't move. Because it's constant contact. That stays in contact with your battery all the time, and that will really, really cut down on any battery arcing and burning on the contacts, yeah? All silver plated. Underneath that, I'll just whip that out. So I'll just crack that open and take that out. Bear with. Underneath that, it's the back end of it, look. Little chunky monkey. You got the inside of the switch, which does make contact, does move, sorry. And that obviously, when you push that, that moves up, makes contact with the underside of that. Boom. You've got a Delrin adjuster. You've got those 5 vent holes that lead through to the points of the star. Should you suffer catastrophic battery failure, not that you will, because we'll use common sense. And obviously this screw can be adjusted to take out any battery rattle if you need it. Yeah, that's going to give you a little bit more throw, but not loads. It's not a problem. And to be honest, I'm running mine with it fully bollocked up, and with this RDA and with the Rapture, it's snug. That's nice and snug, both ends, and the screw is all the way in. And as I showed you, the throw on it's lovely. When it comes to cleaning and maintaining, what I recommend is get hold of one of these fiberglass pens. Yeah, fucking great bits of kit. Real soft fiberglass filaments. When they get really fucked up, you can trim them off. This one's been trimmed at least once, but they're really forgiving. So all you need to do is give that end a polish all around there, take the screw out, clean inside, clean the back end of that contact, put it back together, and that contact's good to fucking go. You could put a squib of contact cleaner in there if you wanted, for good measure, but it's not compulsory. Obviously, like if you go down in my threads, yeah, go down on my channel, there's a maintenance tutorial. So you're going to be polishing your threads, you're going to be cleaning these threads, you're going to be spraying a bit of contact cleaner or similar on quite a regular basis, as you would any mechanical mod. Now these don't come with a clear coating, so it's going to tarnish, but it's super easy to give a quick polish, because as you can't see, because it's covered in fingerprints, straight out of the bag, the fucking quality of finish, again one of my bugbears, make them shiny, is pretty fucking good. There's a bit of dirt on there, that's off my cloth. Look. So, quick polish and you're back to fucking golden. All in all, I'm fucking super stoked with how these have turned out. Yeah, the stainless and the aluminium will have black etched for that extra contrast as far as the logo goes, and I'm sure you'd agree it works quite fucking well, you know. Let's look at the two side by side. So it really fucking pops. It's got a brass button the same, with the same silver plated action and the same insulator going on, and the same star reliefed motif designy thing in the top of the 510. So there's the aluminium, there's the brass, there's the buttons, super 510s, super solid 25mm. It's a fucking bob on. I'm really pleased with how these have turned out. Let's go back up the top, because I could do with a vape, and I'll see you in a minute. So there you have it. Knucklehead Vapes Duffster Mod. It's exclusive to us, designed by me. Pardon me. Designed by me, and it's a winner chicken fucking dinner. I'm ever so pleased. We did loads of prototypes until we finally got it out we thought it needed to be. The admin, excuse me, the admin got a bit of an heads up. They got one early before pre-release, and they all fucking raved about it. So, you know, I think it's a lovely, super solid. Credit to me, credit to the company, and all the rest of it. They're fucking blown away, bless them. They're like unbelievably impressed, which is great. It's really fucking good, because it is designed to be used, designed to be loved, and designed to fucking serve you well, and I'm sure they will. Yeah. So check them out. Go on the website, check them out. Give this one a quick polish up, because I'm proud. Yeah, check them out. You can sign on for emails, because we don't get them made in the thousands, you know. We get them made in small batches, well, not small batches, but they come in batches basically. And we're going to go batches of each material, maybe monthly. We'll see how things go. So if the one you want's not in stock, sign up for email notification. There's a thing down the side of the website. You'll see it when you go on there. Email me when back in stock notification thing. So go on there if you want one. Join our group, Team Knucklehead. You'll get a daily live 10 o'clock Monday to Friday, and we'll talk a little bit more about new things that are coming in. We'll show you stuff before it goes in stock. We have a coffee and a vape and a chat and a chill, and you'll get regular updates about all the stuff that we stock, including the Duffster Mods. So thanks for watching. It's not been an easy one. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you all again real soon, and remember people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which do you choose? Yeah. Big love everyone, and I'll see you soon.